Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to the How to Make a Tycoon game in Unity. So in this video we adding to our balance because everyone likes more money, so why not? Then go to Canvas, left click, UI Legacy, and then button, not text, and then by that just delete that. Sorry, I tried to do this video. Actually, we can keep that. Create a UI script, not a UI script, a C# script like this, and call it add money or whatever you want, and then just open it up in Visual Studios. So it's opening, and first things first, get the start and update method out of here because we're not gonna need it, and then add a nameplate for this code. So using Unity engine.ui. So you will see what this does in a minute. So we gotta add some other variables. Public public float public float, and then let's call that not amount, current money. So current money equals 10. So we pretty broke. We only got $10 in our account now, but we gonna change that today. So float public float, and then say add money equals 10. Oh wait, we can't name a variable the same thing as the script's name, so name it add money 1, and then space public, because we added using unity.ui, we can add public text public text dot not dot, sorry, space, and then text, and then it just suggests text money, so I guess we will do that, and then public void public void, and then let's just call that add. So add, and then brackets, and then add the curly brackets there, and then we say current money. Now we can say plus plus, but that will only add a 1 every time we click the button, which would be quite slow. So plus equals, and then add money 1. So yeah, do that. So this will work, but now we gotta actually display our current money on the screen. So what we wanna say, current money dot text current money dot, I'm sorry, not current money, text money, text money, text money, text money dot text equals current money, and then current money is a number and we can't have a float as on the text, so we gotta say current money dot toString. So, and then just press save. The save button is up here, and then go back into Unity. So what we have to do, we gotta drag our money onto the canvas. Oh wait, that's got to, because I tried to do this video beforehand. So then add the legacy text to the thing. Yeah, and then by the button, it's what's pretty cool. We can call on a function on click with the button. So on click, then drag the canvas because it has the script on it. So then add money and say add, and then when we play, hopefully it should add money. Then when we click, as you can see, the money increases. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and peace.